welcome to this week's vlog. Today's Thursday, so it's probably like the end of the week anyway. Got a fair bit to do today. I need to finish off my Palace Cat commission, and then once that's all dry I need to take some photos and then wrap it up and send it off. Hopefully I can send it off either tomorrow or Saturday. Just depends how dry it is. I also did some test prints on some artwork that I did a little while ago, and I never released prints for it, but I did a little test print so you can get an idea of what I'm wanting to release as prints, and that way it'll be a little bit cheaper. A lot of these ones are sold, so I was going to offer some stickers and prints, and I'm pretty sure the color, this was just like a test to just check out if the color is right. Seems pretty good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and do a proper test print on some photographic archival paper, and that way I can tell if it's actually the color is actually on. What else? I hope to finish my stag commission today, and then that will be it for the commissions. I'll probably wait a little while to open them up again, just because I want to get some of my own projects out of the way that I've been sort of put on the back burner because of the two commissions. I also did a watercolor. I wrestled with my cat the whole time to get off it, so I don't know how good the footage is, but we'll see when I upload it onto my computer. I'll see if it's salvageable. But this is part of the collection of the fox that I'm working on. So one of the prints that will probably be available, still not sure if I want to add some more things or not, so I might not. I'll just sit on it for a little while and see where I'm at with that. And I also started a little sketchbook where I'm just drawing down some ideas as well, of just some ideas, but I'm gonna see how this measures up with watercolor. Probably not too well because it's not mixed media paper, it's just like paper. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna do today, so yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, just quickly, I've been printing off some prints of these things, and I just realized I double checked because I had a feeling I'd seen this before. I just double checked this one, and I realized it's very similar to another artist, so I must have, I tend not to look at things when I'm painting, like using references, because I don't want my pieces influenced by other people's art, just in case it's like similar to another artist's work. So I generally don't look at other people's artwork while I'm making mine, but somehow this one must have just subconsciously implanted into my head, because it's very similar, so I'm not going to be selling that one, but all the other ones are pretty okay. I know for a fact none of them are similar to any other artist that I know of, but this one is, so I'm not going to be selling that one. It'll just be part of my portfolio, so I don't want to like rip off other artists, so yes, not going to be selling that one, but all the other ones, yes. Anyway, back to it. just a little update before I go today. Managed to get a fair bit done today. So I finished the Palace cat and I wrapped 2 dolls and then and a watercolor, so that's being sent off tomorrow. I also managed to do some prints, so I've got 5 so far, and this is what they look like. So we have Moon Bear print. They're all obviously A4. The next one we have is the Sun Bear, also A4 print. And then we have Aurora Lion. Next one is Galaxy Panther. And then the final one is Blood Moon Fox. So I just did a test run of one. I think what I'm going to do is just have it for a pre-order. So I don't know how well they're going to sell, so I don't want to do a whole run of prints and they just sit around for ages. So I'm just going to put one in stock, and then I'm going to offer them as pre-order so I can print it off as they come through. So it will take a bit longer, but it's a bit more cost effective for me. And lastly, I've been working on my fox sculpture, so getting there very slowly. I did all this texture on the tail. I don't know if you can see. So I did the texture down here, but I didn't like the way it looked, so I ended up smoothing it all out. It took me hours to do that texture too, but oh well, I didn't like it. So back to the drawing board. So what I'm going to do is just put all the colours on for now, and then add the texture a bit later. So I'm going to do one side first and then do the other side. So yeah, it's coming along very slowly, but I really want to get it done because it's just been hanging around for too long. So I want to get this collection up in the next month or so. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today, and I'll probably catch up with you tomorrow. Welcome back. Stop chewing that. So I'm going to sign off for today, but I'm just going to show you what I actually got done today. I managed to get most of the stag done. I'm just waiting to hear back from the customer about some other details, but I added some moss onto the antlers, which look pretty cool. I haven't done mossy antlers yet. And we have full white stag. So yeah, a couple more things to do, and then take some photos once it's finished, and then it can go home. I also did just some quick sketches of the fox that I'm working on, the collection. So just some quick little sketches of some ideas, and I also put down the stickers that I made. These were the ones that like seconds that didn't work. It was a trial, so I thought I could stick them into this little sketchbook. And then I've been doing a lot of work on my sculpture as well, trying to get the textures done. So I did this particular texture before and I didn't actually like the way it looked, so I smoothed it all out and started again basically. But yeah, I like the way this texture looks, so that's what we have so far. Almost finished. It's been so long, this thing, and I really want to get it done so I can release this collection. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. But anyway, I'm going to just sign off for today and just do a little bit of work on this fox, and yeah, and then I'll probably edit this vlog as well, so I'll probably catch you next week anyway. But in the meantime, you can check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and you can head to my shop at creaturesofnat.com if you want to see what's available for purchase. So I'll see you next week. Bye!